Okay, so Python data type that we cover, there are different data type available in Python. So data type is actually used to store the type of data, store the different type of data in a variable. After defining a variable, so you have to define which type of data that you have to store in a variable. So that we're defining the data type. So let's discuss about one by one what is these are data types are present. NumPy data type, data type and description. One is Boolean we're using. It is used for giving a true or false value. Next we are using int, default integer type, either int64 or int32. Then we're using intc, it is identical to c int number. Intp, it is used for integer use indexing. int8, that is byte number minus 122 and 127. int16, integer, okay, minus 32,768, 32767. int32, integer value. int64, okay, uint, unsigned integer. Unsigned integer 16, unsigned integer 32. So these are the different data types are available. Okay, then float 16, float 32, float 64, then complex. So these are the different data types available in NumPy. Data type object describe the interpretation or fixed block of memory corresponding to an array. Depending upon the following accept type of data like integer, float, or Python object. Size of data. Okay, so what are the size of data is present? One is byte order. Okay, it is little Indian or big Indian byte value like 0 and 1 format we store. In this case of structure type, the name of field, data type of the each field, part of the memory taken by the each field. Data type is subarray, it is a shape and data type. Okay, if the data type is a subarray, it's shape and data type. মানে ଆମର ଯଦି data type ଟା ଗୋଟେ subarray ରହିଲା ତାର shape ଟା ହଉଛି ତା data type ଆସିବ. So the byte order is decided by prefixing greater than less than or angular bracket. Okay, data type, that means encoding little endian. Endian means ending point. Least significant is smallest address. This means encoding is big endian must be significant byte to store the smallest address. The D type object is constructed using the following syntax. If you want to get a data type of any value, then we're using NumPy D type object alien CPY. The parameter are object to convert the data type object. Alien, if true, add the padding to fill to make the similar to C structure. Copy, make a new copy of the data type. If false, the result reference to the Boolean in data type object. Each built-in data type has a character code that is uniquely identified. Okay, आमे जो data type use करिवा तो सब uniquely identify अछि. B for Boolean, I for signed integer, U for unsigned integer, F for floating point, C for complex floating point, M for time delta, M for date and time, O for Python object, S for byte string, U for Unicode, B for raw data. So these are the different extension we're using. Okay, so I'll show you programmatically some. Okay, so in NumPy, you can say like for the it is defined as what are the data types are present. Again, I category all the data type. One is your Boolean data type, integer type, float type, complex type, then unsigned integer. Okay, unsigned integer. So these are the what 5 category of data type is present. Then again, it is divided to int. Okay, so जो list हम तुमको देखला int 16, int 32. So these are the int c, int p, int 8, int 16, on int 16, on int 64. So these are the different data types are present. Complex, float 16. Okay, and similar way Boolean data type we're using. Okay, so now I I pass the value. Suppose one program I show you. We are passing import numpy as np is equals to np dot zeros 5. Then I just find out a is equals to db type. db type is used for getting the data type. Okay, so import numpy as an np. A is equals to np zeros. So zeros is one function, so where we pass 5. Okay, so print A equals to db type, it is a is showing you float 64. If I pass here b is equals to, again I pass numpy as np, so b is equals to, okay, np zeros 6 comma d type equals to int 8. So int 8 is not defined. Okay, so I'll give you. So next we pass same thing, import numpy as np, import numpy as np, so b is equals to np dot zeros 6 comma dt type, okay, int 8. Then I print here int 8 is not defined. Okay, तमें देखियो आउ कौन डाटा टाइप अछि. Data type can be used as function. So in the um, Python data type, you can use as a function. So how? Import numpy as np, x is equals to np dot float 32. Okay, float 32. Then I pass here 1. Okay, so then what is the result? If I write here, print x is printing you 1.0. Okay, then if I pass here print x dot d type is showing you float 32. Okay, so two type of number were passing here. So I give you the program. Okay, so import numpy as np, so it is use db type if 1.2.3. Then we pass another value, import, or numpy like we are using for boolean, we are using question mark. Okay, that the last slide I display you. O for Python object, S for zero terminated bytes, U for Unicode, B for void. Okay, so next point, it's saying that you can change the type of array using .as type method. You can change the data type numpy as np. Okay, then we use here a is equals to np dot zero dimension array. Zeros means zero dimension array. P, then print a. What is printing? Spelling. Okay, it is showing you 0.0, 0.0, 0.0. Okay, so like you can say it is a floating point value. Okay, so next write another part of program. Red.as type A.as type, I pass here suppose just a minute. A.as type integer. Okay, now it is converted to the integer. Okay, so it automatically integer convert karibo. Means if you want to change one data type to the another data type, we're using AS type method.